Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We here changing the fucking intakes. Yes, sir. Oh, you got it? Bet. Say to be we out here, you heard? Yeah, so we run into a little snag with this intake. Apparently this shit is not threaded on one side. It's threaded, but all the way down in that motherfucking hole. So we got these fucking screws here. We're gonna get a in-between size since this is the original to the right and this is not, well, however you're really looking at it. So yeah, it's me and my boy, Dirty Drew.
What up?
What up? You know, it's HA to the BI. You know what time it is. Going to this hardware store. And this nice ass MDX, nigga. Shit, look at this shit. This shit is gorgeous. Alright, y'all, stay tuned.
Oh shit!
Alright. First startup, new intakes. Rev it. How you like it?
Huh?
How you like it?
I don't know. I gotta see. I mean, I like the way it looks. No lights, no nothing. Everything looking fresh.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
But rev it up. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. You hear that?
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Got these shits installed, you heard? Shit. Yeah, you can see it through the grill.